This is the problem number 3. Subject is finite element method, unit 5, heat transformer and fluid mechanics problems. The problem is having 3 layers. A furnace wall is made up of 3 layers. Inside layer with thermal conductivity 8.5 watts per meter Kelvin. The middle layer with thermal conductivity 0.25 watts per meter Kelvin. The outer layer with thermal conductivity 0.08 watts per meter Kelvin. Full stop. The respective thickness of the inner, middle and outer layers are 25 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters respectively. The inside temperature of the wall is 600 degrees centigrade and the outside of the wall exposed to the atmospheric air at 30 degrees centigrade with heat transfer coefficient of 45 watts per meter square Kelvin. Determine the nodal temperatures. In this problem solve having previous problem model to solve the problem to determine the nodal temperatures. Previous problem having 2 layers. In this problem having 3 layers. In this problem having 3 layers. Already given data 3 layers thicknesses, 3 layers thermal conductivity. So this is the given data. The temperature, the length units having centimeters is converted into the all units in meters. The temperatures are in kelvins. First of all, to find out the stiffness matrix of the element 1, element 2, element 3. Next, the global stiffness matrix is calculated. K1 plus K2 plus K3 is adding. Next, the finite element equation KT equal to F. K is the stiffness matrix, T is the temperature vector, F is the force vector. To solve the problem, for the element 1, the stiffness matrix is K1 equal to K1 A1 by L1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, that equal to 8.5 into 1 divided by 0.25 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, that equal to 34 minus 34 minus 34 34. Nodal 1, nodal 2, nodal 1, nodal 2. The element 1 stiffness matrix is calculated. Next, element 2 stiffness matrix is K2 A2 divided by L2 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. K2 equal to 0.25 into area equal to 1. Area is 1 meter square is assuming. Next, divided by L2 equal to 0.05 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, that equal to 5 minus 5 minus 5 5. This is the element stiffness matrix for the element 2. Nodal node 2, node 3, node 2, node 3. This is the element 1 having node 1, node 2, element 2 having node 2, node 3, element 3 having node 3, node 4. Next, calculate the stiffness matrix for the element 3. Element 3 having a conduction portion. This is the conduction portion. This is the convection portion. The fourth node is having conduction and convection. This is the equation of the stiffness matrix A3 K3 divided by L3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 plus HA 0 0 0 1. This is the convection stiffness matrix. This is the conduction stiffness matrix. So to calculate the K3 equal to 2.666 minus 2.666 minus 2.666 47.666. Node 3, node 4, node 3, node 4. To assemble the stiffness matrix, node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, 1 1 in this equation. First of all, stiffness matrix, to write down the stiffness matrix, 2 having 34, already 2 having element 2 matrix 5, 34 plus 5 39. Next stiffness matrix having 5 minus 5 minus 5 5. The 5 is having 3 matrix 3 2.666, 5 plus 2.666 adding. Next, this is the final stiffness matrix, 2.666 minus 2.666 minus 2.662 47.666. This is the stiffness matrix. Therefore the equilibrium equation or finite element equation kt equal to f. K is the stiffness matrix, so T is the temperature vector T1 T2 T3 T4. Next F is the force vector F1 F2 F3 F4. F1 equal to 0, there is no heat generation. Ft equal to 0, F3 equal to 0, F4 equal to convection portion is available in the F4, that equal to HA T infinitive. HA T infinitive is calculated 13635. Next, to calculate the T1 T2 T3 T4 T4 in this equation, KT equal to, in this equation KT equal to F. KT equal to F. The T1 is given in this problem. T1 is given in this problem. T1 equal to temperature 600 degrees centigrade plus 273. The T1 is given, that equal to 873. Next 873 into 34. 873 into 34 having T2. In this place replacement, the replacement matrix is, this is the T1 value 873. Next in 0 replace with 873 into 30 equal to 29862. Next first column and first row, first column and first row cancel. We can find out the matrix 39 into T2, 39 into T2 minus 5 into T3, 0 into T4 equal to 29682. Next minus 5 into T2, 7.66 into T3 minus 2.66 into T4 equal to 0. Next 0 into T2 minus 2.66 into T3. Next 47.66 into T4 equal to 13635. These are the three equations. So the three equations is calculated in Casio to find out the T2, T3, T4 values. So final to find out the temperature values at node 1, node 2, node 3.